Hi friends, I'm jumping in to show you this boo bag, treat bag that I made. Now, something I do want to share is that paper crafters make something similar for all of their embellishments that they like to exchange within each other. And sometimes they're a part of a group and they fill these with goodies that they've created. However, I wanted to make it a treat bag, so this is what I did to put some goodies in here and give them to some friends while they were crafting. So these baking cups are totally optional. You don't have to get those. Those are for creating rosettes should you like to. This is some fun Halloween tool that I picked up from the 99-cent store. I did a little haul in that video. That is called Nuvo and it's fast drying glue. This is some foam tape. You don't necessarily need the Nuvo glue. You can definitely use your glue gun. These cupcake wraps were from Walmart and I just absolutely loved those cutouts because I just saw adding some enhancements to anything that I was creating with those pieces, so I really loved those. And then this is just fun paper that I've collected over the years, and ephemera and stuff to add to my little pieces that I like to create. You'll definitely need some paper and some stickers related to Halloween. You can definitely go with the Dollar Tree stickers they have in store. This is just stuff that I've already had on hand. If you do want to go on a hunt for paper, Joann's definitely has some Halloween paper still in stock. I was able to find Pets and Pumpkins, and it shows you on the front how to create some treat bags as well using this paper, and I just thought it was so cute. So I just like options. I like to usually create with the same paper, kind of coordinating with each other. However, sometimes I will mix and match. So here I'm just trying to figure out what looks best on these bags, and these bags are from the Dollar Tree. I absolutely love them. I love the little ghost on there, and it gives us a chance not to have to decorate with all paper. We could just leave as is, showing those little ghosts. So right here I'm trying to figure out what paper goes best, and then I'm going to trim to 2 1/4 by 5 1/4, because that's what's going to go on the center of the bag right there. Once you're comfortable with the paper that you'd like to add here, it doesn't have to match exactly because we're still going to add stickers and some tools, so you don't have to be too matchy-matchy. But once you're comfortable, we're going to go ahead and glue that to the center of that, and you still want a couple of the sides showing there. And so you can either use your glue gun or your fast-drying glue and glue it directly on top. So for our next piece, you're going to need a tiny little scratch paper, and you're actually going to need 2 of these pieces, and you're going to need them to measure 2 by 1 1/2 inches, and we're going to score these pieces. I learned this technique with Leah at a class I had with her 2 weeks ago. We did this to make a little pocket more roomier for us so that we could work with, and basically it's called a gusset, and this is what it does. It just gives us some more room to work with. It creates a little pocket, and this is what we want. So we're going to glue those to the edges, and so what you need to do is you need to score this like a little accordion. You need to score it at 3/8, 3/4, and 1/8, and you get this little accordion piece. And what we do is we glue those edges right in, and you're going to do this for each side. And so we've created this pocket. You guys, if you were to look up on here, paper crafting and paper crafters, oh my goodness, you should see the amazing pieces that they create. I just don't even compare. I'm trying to get there and I'm learning to paper craft, and I absolutely love it, but I don't even compare to half of these women that are on here at paper crafting. And I'm going to link some of them below so that you can take a peek and see how much fun it is that they have creating pieces. So then I
like
just
this.
measured my tool at 3 by 3 and I folded in half, and I'm just creating a small little square that I want to add to the corner of the bag here. But you can run it across the whole bottom of the bag if you'd like to attach it like so. If not, just follow the steps that I'm doing. So then I dabbed some glue at the center there, and then held it, pressed it down with my cool handy dandy little finger majiggy thingy from the Dollar Tree. And so that's what I have for now. And then you're gonna go through your stickers and your fun ephemera and anything that you've picked up to decorate your bag. This is what we're going to do. This is where your foam tape comes in, because you're going to add a piece of foam tape to whatever you'd like to enhance it, and it's going to go directly at the center of that tool to hide the little dab of glue that we did there. So now we're taking that spider piece part and we're gonna glue it. You can take your glue gun or the glue that I have, and you're just gonna directly apply it to that edge, and then not even 3/8 from the top of the bag, you're gonna place it, and that's going to be our decorative piece for this. And I just absolutely love the way that that looks. Now you can definitely do something like this on your die cut machine. I have both the Cameo and the Cricut Joy, and you can definitely get some intricate cuts. The only thing is it takes time, so that's why I picked these up. They're already pre-cut and they just work perfect. So there are some great tutorials on creating rosettes with cupcake liners, and this is something I enhanced last year with the cupcake liner, and some tulle and some stickers. That's a sticker from the Dollar Tree, a little cat. And so I found these at the Dollar Tree. The only thing I did see was that they were a little faded compared to the black that is on the bag, so that kind of bothered me just a little bit, but we can still work with it. Now I want to show you how I take pieces like this and I enhance my projects. I love adding cupcake liner stuff to my little baggies that I create. Now if you go on Instagram, there's a video where I did my daughter's little goodie bags with erasers and such for a birthday party she had using cupcake liners. And so this is what I like to do. So I don't end up using the cupcake liner on this particular piece, but I just wanted to show you how you can just trim at that edge right there, add it as some little enhancements to your project. And again, this is why I like to use cupcake liners. So I have recreated these this year, these rosettes this year with the Pinkaboo collection from Michaels. And so I will do another video on how just to create the rosette, but I wanted to give you like a little sneak peek on what it takes. This is some crepe paper that I have folded in half, and basically you just pinch the edges and you create a pinwheel of some sorts, I guess you could say. Basically you just take the edge and then you just fold over, fold over, fold over, and hold it with your thumb. And so what you do is you staple at the center, and like I said, there are tutorials on here that I will link below, but this is how I like to do mine. So I just wanted to give you guys a little insight on how to create these type of pieces. Right here I'm just kind of playing with pieces. I just want to show you what you can do to enhance a bag and what you can add just to make it super cute. You know, a lot of people think, oh, why take all the time to create these pieces? Well, if you enjoy it, then it doesn't really matter. It's just something really cute to me, and I just enjoy it. So now you can either attach these so that they can use them again with maybe like a mini clothespin, or you can just glue it at the center there. And I have just attached that just like so, just to show you if you would like to make them reusable. However, these are going to friends that really don't paper craft, and I just want them to see the magic of paper crafting, and I'm trying to get them to paper craft with me, so we'll see if it works. So these buttons are made with the We Are Memory Keepers button maker, and using some Pinkaboo paper I went ahead and created that button and used it as an embellishment for my rosette here and placed it right at the center, and I absolutely love it. Another thing that you can do to enhance your bags is adding some sticky gems. If you have found the ones that are at the Dollar Tree, there are pearl ones and turquoise that I've seen, and different types of colors. These are just some glitter gems that I had on hand, and I wanted to see how they looked, and I went ahead and added these pieces to my bag. This boo piece I cut from a placemat that the 99-cent store had, and just to use like so, I cut that piece out because I figured I could use it to embellish. And so this is what we're left with. I'm not sure what to continue to add to it. Here are some stickers from the Dollar Tree. I was trying to look to see maybe if any of these could go, but they didn't really match like so. There's also bows that people create out of paper. I thought this bow was really cute. And then it just kind of gave me the idea to go into my little box of goodies and see what I had to add here. Now I like to keep a lot of remnant pieces. These are stickers that I used for the pink Halloween town from Target. I found those in the greeting card aisle. These I found at the 99-cent store. Again, I did do a haul on those. And then this material, believe it or not, I loved. It was on a bow from at the Dollar Tree, and I just loved the material. So I took it apart and figured I could do something with it. Although the end, how the bag ends up with this piece, I wasn't too happy. However, it's just about taking pieces here and there and playing with it to see how you can enhance your project. And that's what I absolutely love about paper crafting. Taking remnants and trying to see how you can incorporate it to your pieces. And so now we've come to the end where you're going to go ahead and stuff it with some crinkle paper and add your candies in. Now something else that I do like to do and like to add to all of my Halloween pieces is add gauze. I cut pieces of gauze and I add them in as if they were spider web. They're a lot non-messier because spider web catches on everything and I just can't stand that. So I use, like I said, I like to use gauze. And so once you're finished with that, you can go ahead and stuff it with your favorite candies or your kids' favorite candies or your friends' favorite candies. You can use the main pocket and that front pocket and they will say nice and secure. You can actually add whatever you would like into those pockets. So thanks for watching. I hope that you guys like this tutorial. I will link everything below, tools and such and paper that I like to incorporate. If you have not liked this video, please do so now. And if you'd like to subscribe to my channel, please do so now. If you want to follow me at Lemon Avenue Life. Thanks guys. Bye.